Hello everyone! Welcome to the Enchanted Luxury Studio where we talk about wealth and luxury. For today's video, we're having a brief tour inside the LeBron James $52 million Los Angeles mansion. NBA star players are known for their expensive way of living in multi-million-dollar properties. King LeBron James, one of the ultimate royalties in basketball today, is not an exception. In 2018, LeBron's purchase of a $52 million mansion in Los Angeles made the headline, as the extravagant home was believed to have taken the meaning of a luxurious lifestyle to the next level. The residence is located in Los Angeles, sunny California, and responds to the title of Robin, a name given to him by the home's designer Paul McLean, a famous architect of the North American coast who, in all fairness, seems to have very good taste for the design of luxury single-family homes. This can be clearly seen in the wonders listed on their website. Wondrous mansions that display all their splendor inside and outside their perimeter walls. With its amazing architecture that showcases stunning interior and exterior design, there's no doubt that this mansion is for someone with good taste. And by that, we mean Mr. LeBron James himself. Completed its construction in September 2018, the house unsurprisingly looks fresh. It is quite unique and attributed to various special features, making it intoxicatingly beautiful to the most contemporary eyes. The home is located at the end of a street, on top of a prominent hill and surrounded by other luxurious homes. This allows the mansion to have views of the city of Los Angeles worthy of any modern king such as LeBron James, or nicknamed as the king in the world of basketball. Taking the superb quality into account, this marvel of architecture is definitely worth of purchase by the millionaire athlete. Due to the people's curiosity about the mansion, it was discovered that the construction company behind the property is called JD Group. They are the minds and talents behind this over 1,480 square meters property that gives off a T-shaped, well-constructed building. The mansion consists of 3 floors, a basement, 2 floors on the top of the T, and a floor on the other section. On one side of the T, there is a floating bridge made of large pieces of stone over a pond with a bed of white gravel, an invitation to rest. From that area, there is access to 2 impressive living rooms with a dining room, kitchen, and a colossal television. Although, the best thing is that the rooms are flanked by huge marble mosaics like the exterior, which house each fireplace. To access its interior, you have to go through a motorized curved door, which gives vehicles access to the basement where the garage is located. Aside from its amazing architectural layout, the homes are also about elegance and good materials. Upon entering, a rocky marble mural will greet you. The pieces of this amazing mural have been taken from the same block in place so that their polished parts fit symmetrically. The walls of the mansion are made up of ceramic pieces and large metal doors, which accompany us until we leave the access area. Inside the side, we can see that all the railings are glazed and fixed to the edge of the slab, which gives them greater elegance and safety of use. The rooms are located on the top floor, with a master suite with views of the city, a terrace, and garden in it. While for the bathrooms, they are pure luxury, with marble on the walls, including an enormous bathtub. The rest of the building takes pride in more exquisite areas, such as the multimedia room, wet bar, gym, billiard room, golf simulator, cigar room, a wine cellar, and more valuable features that are not particular for a luxury single-family home built on 2,600 square meters of land. The head of engineering, Parker Resnick, created a structure that allows the floor to work in two huge cantilevers supported by the monolithic interior structures. This allows an open space without visible pillars. Of course, nothing would complete a mansion on top of a hill but large glass windows everywhere. All the carpentry in the mansion goes from floor to ceiling, allowing views in any direction possible, which helps the owner to live better, especially when most of this carpentry is sliding doors of enormous dimension. The inside of the house is like a massive terrace. Go ahead and get your favorite beverage and popcorn. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Of course, the object of dark desires in this home is a state-of-the-art boomerang-shaped pool with an infinity edge. In addition, the pool has an island inside, which allows for a central fire pit. The mansion also includes a spa with a sauna, hydro tub, and a float tank. And just in case those are not yet enough to amaze you, this house also holds an entire sports field. Taking the tour outside the house, the surroundings of the mansion are filled with natural green, showcasing well-nourished lawns, trees, and shrubs that nurture the life of the owner with oxygen and a beautiful landscape of nature. It is said that Los Angeles is like a beauty parlor at the end of the universe, and owning a property in one of its silver-gated neighborhoods would definitely make you a star, because everyone who can afford to live in a high-end community in Los Angeles is certainly a star, and there's no way anyone could ever argue with that. For LeBron James, he is living his best life, breaking records, winning trophies, giving back to the community, and more importantly, making loads of cash as it does all of that. This king has once said that he ought to use his God-given ability to make the best in life. And by the looks of it, he meant every single word in that statement. It is undeniable that this Los Angeles house of his has everything that a human being can desire. With the purchase of this larger-than-life property, NBA star LeBron James will be spending his free time outside the court and doing a bunch of recreational activities inside the comfort of his home. So, there you have it! Inside LeBron James' $52 million Los Angeles mansion. How about you? What would you do if you were to spend a day in this mansion? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. You may turn on post notification as well and keep track of our latest content. Thanks for watching!